Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Mrs. Calabash and today is bread baking day. I try to make bread once a week and then I put it in the freezer and then I've always got fresh bread. I've said before on my show I'm a diabetic, and by making my own bread I don't actually put sugar in the bread, so that's great. Now you see it's nice and brown on the top, and sometimes you can eat the bread and it tastes a little bit, just a little bit raw. So can you hear that? If you knock it with your knuckle like that and you get a hollow sound, that means the bread is cooked. And so now I've got two people with the mouths sort of going, they want the heel of the bread. So here I go. This is hot and steaming. Actually, it is better if you just let it cool a little bit, but these two want it hot and steaming. So there's one heel. We're going to turn it round. Completely ruins the loaf, but never mind. You can see the steam coming up. Look, woohoo! Please join me each Friday, 2 p.m. for Mrs. Calabash Cooks, and I'll see you later. Bye!